Hello my dear friends and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm finally making a special video about the hotel room in Sochi where we were staying during our latest summer vacation at the Black Sea. It is an ordinary hotel room for 2 or 3 people in our favorite 3-star hotel called Sochi Park Hotel. That is situated in the new Olympic part of Sochi. And I can say that this hotel is called one of the best hotels there. So let's have a look at it and see what hotel room you can get there. So guys, we're leaving our hotel room and I've decided to make a fast hotel room review, hotel room tour for you. I wanted to do it on the first day, but as always I'm not a normal person. That is why I'm doing it now, right before I'm going to leave it. Here, this is the door. You can put something, some of your clothes here. There are such signs. Please clean my room. Please take the linen for washing. It is a paid service. You should pay extra money for it. Don't disturb. And there is a bag for the linen. You can leave the linen, put some, some pluses, and it will be washed and you will pay for it. This is the place for the shoes. This is our stroller. It always looks insane. So many things. My bag and some wet things, some towels, some dirty linen, everything that we're going to wash at home. Well, this is a mirror. This is a TV set with some channels, some state channels, cartoons, movies and so on, and some special channels of this hotel. You can order some sushi. There are 2 cards, keys. These are the keys of this hotel room. Such a big book. You can read all the information you may need here. It is not allowed to smoke here, like just everywhere. A teapot, 2 teacups. There were also some spoons. We took them. We need them because we have no spoons and nothing for our train. And this thing, this is a fridge, such a small fridge. It works. There was nothing inside, but you can leave some of your food there. This is Grisha sleeping on my bed. By the way, this was an extra bed because most of these hotel rooms have 1 big bed or 2 single beds, and you can order 1 extra bed and you can order also a bed for a baby, but we had our stroller, so we decided not to order such a bed. Some lamps, and there is a problem that because of our beds we can't open the door to the balcony. This stool was, it's not a stool, a chair. In Russian, a chair is stool, and I know that in English a stool is such a chair without the back. It was there, but we took it here so that we could hang something on it. And this is the balcony. That it is absolutely empty. You can put a ribbon here and there so that you could hang your towels, but we didn't buy it. Oh my god, it was just a crazy vacation. We didn't do so many things. And anyway, it's okay. It's okay when you are alone with 3 children. Everything is okay. Still, it was really good. At least I'm sure that my children are satisfied. My elder children, and Grisha is always happy when he's with us. And this is the room. I'm going to show you the toilet finally. Such a beautiful picture. There is a telephone. You can call the service, you can call the reception and so on. Grisha, Grishutka. And the toilet, finally the toilet. This is me. I look much better, I think, now, because I'm going to go there and to give my keys, and I need to look at least a little bit better. This is my phone. I need not to forget it. You can get some shower gel. How to call this? You can get everything you need to get clean, to wash yourself. And some soap, two cups for your brushes. What is this? Doesn't work. You always get 2 towels per one person. The shower, rather a simple shower. And I'm sorry for the focus. And just an ordinary toilet and the towels. And you can see that there are even some clean towels. You can dry your clothes here. It works. I need to turn it off. You can dry your hair. This is for your feet. Well, I hope that I haven't forgotten anything here. And I need to take Grisha and to leave the room. And that was all for today, my dearest friends. Thank you very much for watching my hotel room tour. See you in another vlog. Bye bye.